Good morning, 5K. So today we're going to start off our day after Bible lesson with our math meeting. So what I would like you to do is tell me how many days are there in a week. This does not make a difference at all for this. Well, I tried. How many days are there in a week? Do you remember? And we've had 4 days off of school. Let's count. Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Say 7 days in a week. Good job, my sweets. All right. Let's sing our song. 5 fingers on one hand, 2 on the other. Sing with me. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now, yesterday was Monday. We didn't have school yesterday. This tag right here says no school because it was Labor Day. So if yesterday was Monday, what day of the week is it today? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's Tuesday. You got it. Say, today is Tuesday. Awesome. All right. Do you remember how many months there are in a year? Do you remember how many months? Yeah, there are 12. You can stand where you are and you can sing with me. We're going to sing our months of the year song. Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Good job. You can have a seat. You can sit back down. Remember, this is our sign language for sit. My loves, if yesterday was September 7th, what number is today? If yesterday was September 7th, what number comes after 7? If you don't know, you can go back and count. Today is the 8th. And if yesterday was a square, what shape is it going to be today? If yesterday was a square, today is going to be a circle. You got it. So it is September 8th. Square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. All right, I need your help writing September 8th. So I'm going to grab my marker. What letter do I write first for September? S, the letter S. So I'm going to go up to the top. It's just like when we made those 8s last week. S, What letter says The letter E. You got it. Lowercase letters start here at the dotted line. Remember when we're talking about our ice cream lines, right? We talked about the ice cream lines in reading. This would be vanilla. Vanilla's in the middle. So I'm going to go over, up to vanilla, around and down to chocolate was on the bottom, remember? What letter says p? P. I got to make it look like a P, not a 9. So I'm going to go down, trace up, and around. Sep. T. And no tail. You got it. All right. Sep. Another E. Sept. M. What letter says It's my favorite. The letter M. Let's start at vanilla, go down to chocolate, trace up, bump, trace up to vanilla, bump. September. What letter says B? B. B is different than D. B goes down, trace up, belly to the right. Remember, this is our right hand. September. What 2 letters say E-R. You got it. So I'm going to make my E and my R. All right, I have my month. Now what do I need next? Let me scoot you over. I have my month. Now I need my date. What is the date today? The 8th. So I'm going to make an 8. And then I'm going to make my cute little, my comma. Say comma, comma. All right, now, last I need my year. So let me turn this for you. All the way up there at the top. What number goes first in my year? Right up there in the corner. I need a 2, yep. Top to bottom, slide to the right. After my 2, what number goes second? Yeah, my 0. All right, what goes after the 0? Another 2. Curve around, slide to the right. And what goes fourth? Yeah, another 0, you got it. All right, I'm going to cap my marker. What I would like you to do is grab your microphone as we pretend that we're on the news to read the date. Remember, September 8th. Your tongue goes between your teeth for the TH, 8th. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is September 8th, 2020. Good job, Kids Brain. Did a good job. Let's look at the pattern for today. You see this number that we learned last week. What number is that? 7. And then you see this number we learned last week. 8. And then you see this number we learned last week. 9. 7, 8, 9. What's going to go next? We're starting back over with the pattern. We're not going to keep counting. So if it started with 7, what's going to go next? A 7, because we're starting the pattern over. All right, 7, 8, say it with me. Ready, go. 7, 8, 9, 7. What's going to go next? We have a 7. What goes next? Here's a 7. What came next? 8. So I'm going to make an 8 again. I'm following the pattern. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. A circle and a line. Make number 9. Or make a circle and go straight down. All right, smart mathematicians always double check. Double check with me. It should make sense. Ready? Go. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. We did it. Give yourselves 2 claps on 2. 1, 2, clap, clap. Good job. All right, my sweets. Last week, Thursday, because we did not have school on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. So last week, Thursday, was day number 9 of school. So if Thursday was day number 9 of school, what number is today? What number comes after 9? Number 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you know what 2 numbers make the number 10? The number 10 is a 1 and a 0. Those 2 numbers make 10. I cannot put the 0 first. That's not the number 10 now. That's actually just the number 1. So the 1 has to go first. A 1 and then a 0 makes the number 10. All right, I would need somebody to come and put another cube on. So my chimneys are up. You would come up here and put another cube on with the chimney up. All right. Let's count how many cubes we have. Ready? We start at the bottom. We're going to touch and count the circles. Ready? Go. 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It matches. Then I would pick one of you to come up here and be my careful colorer to color the 10th square. Awesome. All right, we've been in school 10 days. And look at this row is full. So this tower is full. We're only going to put the cubes in towers of 10. When it gets to 10, it's full. Then we're going to start back over with a new one. See, we're going to start down here. So we're going to put another cube down here. All right, my sweets, I need you to look up here. I put up the number 10. I put on my 10th cube. I colored the 10th square. And now I need to write the number 10. Now, I cannot write a 1 and a 0 right here. I can't do it because one number goes in one square. So it says, how many 10s do we have? This number right here says 10s, and I put a T up there for tens. How many 10s do we have? I told you that when our tower gets full, that means there's 10 in a tower, and then we're going to start over with our next tower. And I know this is a little confusing, but as we practice it, you'll just understand it and know it. So my loves, how many full towers of 10 do we have? So this tower is full because it's at 10. See, this one is colored all the way up to the top. It's full because it's at 10. So how many full towers do you see? 1. This is one tower. All the little cubes put together make one full tower. So we have 1, 10. Say 1, 10. Awesome. So where it says 10s right here, I'm going to write the number 1. Then it says, how many extras do we have? Do you see any extra cubes sitting here? No. Do you see that I colored any extra pieces over here? No. We have 0 extra ones. So I'm going to write a 0 right here. And what number did I just write? 10. So the 0 is in the ones place, and the 1 is in the tens place. We will work on this, okay? So even right now, if it's a little confusing and it's making you want to scratch your head, it's okay. We will keep working on it every day in school, and soon we'll be doing it on our math papers too, okay? So I get it. It's tricky, but we will learn. We'll get there. All right. I need you to help me with the weather. Now remember, I told you I make these videos in advance, okay? So that means I make them ahead of time. So I don't really know what the weather is actually going to be like when you watch this video on Tuesday. So we're going to guess. All that matters is that you are learning how to read a graph. So, my loves, I want you to sing with me. What's the weather? Sing with me. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Well, my dears, when I looked at my phone, it said that the weather was supposed to be rainy. So if it's not rainy right now, that's okay. That doesn't matter. Maybe it's going to be a sunny day. They changed it and the rain's not coming. All that matters is that we're going to learn how to read a graph. So it said it was going to be rainy. So let's sing. It's a rainy, it's a rainy, it's a rainy, rainy day. It's a rainy, it's a rainy, it's a rainy, rainy day. All right, my sweets, when you look at the weather graph, what kind of weather has the most? Who has the most? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, or snowy? Who has the most? Yeah, Sunny does because Sunny has the tallest tower, doesn't it? Sunny has 2. Who has the second most? Who has the second most? Sorry, my shoes are squeaking on the ground. Who has the next tallest? I see one of these. I see a tie. Who has a tie? Cloudy and rainy have a tie because they both have 1. And who has the least? Who has the smallest? Yeah, Snowy, because Snowy has 0. So they have the least. Snowy has the least. You got it. One more thing before we go. I need you to tell me, this is it's a square. How many sides? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many angles? Remember, that's the math word for corners. How many angles? 4. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a circle. How many sides? 0. How many angles? How many corners? 0. Good job. All right, my sweets. I will see you soon for math and reading. Have a great day and always do your best. I'm so proud of you.